Good morning, grade threes. How are you this morning? I am well. Just one sleep and tomorrow we are doing the assessment. But no need to worry. Everything that we have done together, you will be able to do in the assessment. There's just one tiny part which we will cover today, and I believe you'll all be ready for tomorrow's assessment. Just be relaxed and calm, read the questions, and all shall be well. Okay, let's see who's here this morning. Taking the register. Okay, I see Blessing. Welcome you, Chevelle. Okay. Hudi. Iska. I hope your tooth is feeling better today. Kabo Entle. Kabani. Oh, Rabalajo. Please type your name again for me. Kabo Entle, Kabani, Lesijo, Lutando, Matlotlo, Osinash, Ryan, Silo, Tuba, Zinera, Ndemba, okay, Hadia, okay, all right. All those who will be joining later, I welcome you. Today we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. A big class, eh? Right, okay. So yesterday we did talk about our assessment. We said you will find it on our website. And then we also indicated that this is how the screen will look like. And then you will then download from your grade. Okay, right. So it would be best to download the assessment before we start. Perhaps you can try even this afternoon or late. Check if it's there already, and then thereafter you print out. So tomorrow, the usual time, we will start and then we will go through the questions together. Make sure that all the questions are clear. Remember, we will not be giving you answers, but just so that you understand what the questions are about, and then you will, in your comfort, then write the assessment, and then you will submit it to us. Okay. Right, let's continue with today's. So I must indicate that please have your classwork book with you. Have your classwork book with you, your pen, your pencil, your ruler, your eraser. So we will work through these questions individually. And please, it is not the time to, to be looking around elsewhere. let's focus on the work which is before us. And as soon as we finish going through the question paper together, we will then discuss it together, and whoever has any other questions or clarity that you need, I will give you that opportunity. Okay. All right. Okay, this is the first one that we're going to do here. So you will get something similar to this, where you are given an example. The ordinal number is that, and then the numerical form of the ordinal number is 78. Like the example there, you're given 78, and there the ordinal number is 78, and the numeric form of 78 is 78th. So let's do 80. You will write it in its number form, okay, and then it's the numeric form of the ordinal number. 66, you'll do the same, and you will write the numerical form of the ordinal number. So just look at the example there, okay? So all of us should now focus on writing, and then as soon as we are done, we will discuss it. Okay, please don't write it on the chat box. Just write it in your exercise book. Remember, we say that you write your name, your surname, your grade, and today's date. And then you will write these activities that we are doing today. You see, when you write on the chat box and you want to revise, the chat box won't be readily available. But if you write in your exercise book, you know that even if you just want to browse through and remind yourself what you have done, your exercise book will always be there. So let's do the right thing. As I'm writing, just write as well. And remember, no videos, guys. Okay, Ryan, you're done. Okay. Yes, Matlotlo, but look, what we are writing today, it's not what will go into our assessment reports, okay? It is just a revision, okay? Okay, I see most of you are done. I'm also done. Let's go to the next one. Okay, if we are going too fast, remember we will go back again, okay? Right, so this is a 301 to 400 number chart, okay? So with this chart, I want you to answer the following question. What is the 20th number? You're going to write the 20th number. It's the 20th number. Look at the heading there, says 301 to 400 chart. It's our number chart, okay? So when they say the 20th number, they mean the 20th number from 301, okay? And the second one, what is the last number in this chart? And what is the 30th number in this chart? Okay, Faisal, are you referring to this particular question here? Okay, let's quickly hear Faisal. Hi, Faisal. Faisal. Okay, I can't hear you. Just type it up. Okay. What is it that you don't understand? Okay, Lutando, I see you. It's quite important for me to know so that I know that all of us are on the. Oh, what is the 20th number? Okay, remember we've got our number block here. Okay, so each block, it's like it's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 310 is the 10th number. So the question is, what is the 20th number in this number block? So all these questions relate to this number block, okay? So if the 10th number is 310, the question is, what is the 20th number? You just count the 20th number on the number block, okay? And the next one, the last number, and then the 30th number. Is that okay, Faisal? Can I see a yay or a nay? Okay, right. Let's go to the next one. You are free to inbox. Thanks, Faisal. Okay. So we've written our answers there. Let's go to the next question. Thank you, Ember. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, this one, please, 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 just make sure that you understand what it is all about. Okay, you're going to have something similar to this in the assessment. Okay, so here they've given us the base blocks. Okay, so I've put in those letters of the alphabet just so that we can, it's easy for us. Okay, so here let's count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know some of you possibly have this, the base 10 blocks, or you also use them at school. So it's 10, it's 20, it's 30, it's 40, it's 50, and it's 1, 2, 3, it's 53. There is our 53. So they have represented our number 53 using the base 10 blocks. And the main reason why we use them, it's because we want to understand place value. We've talked a lot about place value, but we're going to, we've set it in a different way. But I do know that we have done place value together. So, but for those who are joining us for the first time or we're not there, just be attentive. This activity will be helpful. So for our number cards, the number cards for our A, there is our A there. So our number cards there, the 5 there, remember, is represented by 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So there is our 50, which is our tens, and then our units, 1, 1, 2, 3. There is our units, 3. So when we add these number cards, normally what we would do is that you would put, like the unit, when it's like this, you will put it on top of the 0 there. It will be in such a way that it can, you know, it can overlap, but it doesn't go over the 5. That way you are able to work with the numbers. So it will be 50 and it will be 3. And then we come to B. I see the chat box is very busy. Matlotlo, yes, this is how we are going to write it here. Can I just address Matlotlo here? So remember the reason why we said that we would prefer that you download the question paper. The question paper has been submitted. It would probably maybe be available after we have finished here, or yeah, later on, okay? So that if you need to print it, you will print it, for those that don't have like a printer at home, okay? So we will not be writing it over the screen like this. I will be going through it with you, but you will be having your question paper in front of you. Ask mom, dad, sister, or brother to download it for you, and then you print it. Or I'm not sure of your resources. Maybe if you say I cannot, I don't have access to a printer or what, you know, let's make do with what we have, okay? If you're able maybe to write it from the screen like it is, or after you have downloaded it but you cannot print it, if that's the only way you have, you can write it from you know, from your screen and write it on your exercise book, okay? Just make sure that everything is labeled properly. I mean, that is the worst scenario. So don't say I'm not writing because I can't print, okay? Just let's do it. Okay, Lutando, let's hear what Lutando is saying.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, you say you're confused.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what's wrong? What's
I
wrong, Lutando?
can't really explain it, but the whole thing,
Have you written the other subject yet?
the subject,
Have you written any assessment so far this week?
not lot,
Huh?
not lot, though.
I think it's going going to be the same process. How did you do it?
I didn't really do it yet because I'm still trying to think what like I'm gonna do this.
Oh, okay. Are you able to print it? Do you have the resources to print?
No, I don't know. I think so, but I don't think so at the same time.
Oh, okay. No, it's fine. Even if you don't, we will be going through this together, okay? We will
Yes, ma'am.
just find out, and you can write from the screen, you know. If, I mean, that's the worst scenario, okay? If
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
able to print, that will be great. But if you're not able to print, it doesn't mean that you cannot write, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, but you will communicate. Let's keep communicating so that we make this possible. And yeah, okay.
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
very much, Lutando.
Welcome.
Okay, and then it is on Word. It's not on PowerPoint. It is on Word. So I see somebody was asking. Matlotla is asking, is it going to be the same assessment as this? The same, it will definitely not be the same numbers, okay? But a similar question like this is going to come out, okay? That is why I've made sure that I go through it with you, okay? So, and all the other things that we have done previously, like our number line will be there, like the activity we did yesterday of sharing, like the fractions. Remember when you had your chocolate and you had to divide it into a third, 2/3, 1/5. Questions like those will be there, you know. So, yeah, if you have a printer, Chevelle, that's great. You can print it, but let's work around the logistics and yeah, let's do it. Okay, we were still here. Right. Okay. So there we've got our number cards, 50 and 3. And then there we have our 10 base 10 blocks, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 34. And when we do it as number cards, it will be 30 and 4, okay? And then this block here, you will write the numeric, like how you write this base 10 blocks using numbers, okay? The number symbols. So what I've done in most of the questions, I have given you examples before the question. So there will not be a problem because we have examples before the actual, like we have here. Here is an example. It's an example that I've given you. And then this is what you and me have to do now. Okay, what we have to do, let's count these. Right? We're going to write this number that you get here. After we have counted, we are going to write it there under 3.1. Okay, and then we come here. We add these ones. After we get the number, we are going to write it here under 3.4. You count. Okay. And then you write the number there under 3.4. Good, Tuba, I see you. Right. And then what you're going to do is that you are going to represent the number that you got there under 3.1. You're going to represent it as a number card. Hadia, you are right. I see you. So let's go to 3.2, Hadia. Let's go to Faisal. Yes, that's correct. Let's write the two number cards for the number that we got there. Okay, that's correct, but we will not write it as 50 plus 1. Okay, Faisal, just look at our example. You got it correct there by giving me the answer for 3.1. It is correct. Then look at this example here. You see there we had 53. So the first number 5, we know it's not 5, but it is 50. Okay, so that's why we've got 50 there. And the 3, we leave it as that, it is 3. So same applies to this one. The number that you got, okay, you are going to give us the tens. It's easy. There you go. And you write it there. Exactly as it is on this base 10 blocks. Exactly as it is, you write it there. And then you're left with 1. Then you will have your number card there, which is 1 here. Okay? Is it fine now, Faisal? Okay. Right. Always go to the example. Okay, the example. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So our tens are 50. That's why we've got our number card, which represents the tens, which is 50. Good. And 3, 1, 2, 3. It's just a unit. You have it like this as 3. So Faisal, just to make it easy, it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So it means that our tens are also 50. So we will put our number card 50 there, okay? And there's 1 unit, which is 1. It will be the same as that 1. It will be 1 there, okay? But don't put plus. I see some of you are saying, okay, it is true, 50 plus 3, it's 53. Yes, Curtis, 50 plus 1 is 51, which is what we have for 3.1 there. But the question here doesn't want you to show the plus sign. The question just wants you to show the number card all, okay? So just for you not to lose marks, just answer what is being asked, okay? Let's go to the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10, 20. So then it means our tens here will be 20, okay? So our 3.2 is 20. Let's see the units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our units are 7. So what you will have in this block is that you will have our number card similar to that one, but we'll write it there as 20. There's 20, 10, 20. It will be 20. And then the units, it's 7. And then if we add these number blocks together, it's 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So our 3.4 there will be 27. Okay. Our 3.3, it's 20 and 7. So let's go to the next one. So don't worry, remember I said that you will get an example in most of the questions that you'll have. You will first have an example and you'll be able to follow through. Okay, let's go to the next one. Africa, Osinash. I think, let's focus. Good. Yes, the test, remember, it's tomorrow, the assessment, okay? Let's go to the next one. Okay, this is the easy one. You see, you've got an example again. 371 plus 10, it's 281. 371 minus 10, it's 200 and it must be 381 there. Yes, that's correct. 381. And then that one, 361. Okay. And then what will be this one? 371 plus 100. Correct. 471. Okay. And then 371 minus 100. What will that be? 271. That's correct. Okay. So let's do this one together. You can give me your answers in your chat box. Okay, 566. Okay, let's get one to do this for us. Anyone who wants to do this for us? Any volunteers? I see Matlotlo, I see Blessing. Okay, let's see. Matlotlo? Hi, Matlotlo.
Hi, ma'am. I want to ask a question.
Okay.
Where are we going to get the assessment?
You will be writing it at home. You will be writing it at
Where
home.
are we going to get it?
Oh, okay. Who's with you? Whoever is there, maybe mom, dad, big sister, or big brother, whoever. Go to the website. Did you see our website? Just check here. Huh?
Where am I going to get the website?
Okay, just look at here at the screen, www.africateamgeeks.co.z.
Ma'am, I cannot see it. There is a black thing on it.
Is it? All right, let's see. Let's remove this. Okay, let me. Okay, let's go to the next, the other one. Can you see it now?
Yes, please.
Yes. You ask an older person to download it for you. It's a Word document. If you're able to print it,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
can print it, and then you just write it. Same time when we meet at 11, you will just start writing it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
All
ma'am.
right. Thank you. Bye for now. Okay. So we were looking at this one. We can just do one of them, and then you will be, I'm sure you'll be able to do it. Okay. Let's see. I see Faisal's hand is up. Okay, let's hear Faisal. Faisal, are you there? Okay, not there. Tuba, I see your hand is up. Hi, Tuba.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, and how are you?
I am well. Let's do the second one. 566 plus 10. How much is it?
556 plus 10.
566. 560.
Plus 10.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, the others can also do it.
576.
Good, that's correct. So that's what you're going to put here. Okay. And then, Chevelle, you look at, I know you're not Chevelle, I'm just looking at Chevelle there. So 566, you always go back to the original number. So you say 566 minus 10. What is 566 minus 10? 566 minus 10. Do you see it?
How?
Are you able
Hello?
to? Hello? Hello? Okay. All right. Zinara and Faisal. 560. You just take away 10. The same way as you did the first one, but this time you are taking away. Okay, are you there? Another easier way that you can do here is that if you break down this number, 566, like your 66, it's always nice to work with tens, okay? So if you break your 66 into tens, but starting with 50, it will be 50 and then you are left with 16. It's 10 and it's another 6. Okay? So the question is saying take away 10. So if you take away 10 there, you will be left with 556. Another way that you can do it, which we have not done together, it's the one where you have your hundreds, your tens, and your units. You have 566, and then you say minus, and then underneath 6 you put 0, underneath the other 6 you put 1, okay, which is your tens and your units. And then if you say 6 minus 0, it is 6. 6 minus 1, it is 5. And then 5 minus 0, it's 5. Then it is 556. Remember, those who understand, just be a little patient with others. And I see Chevelle, you are typing things there. Remember, it's not acceptable, okay? Don't do that. And then the next one, 566 plus 100, it's 566 plus 100 is 666. Please, if you want to get this worksheet, please request it and I will definitely send it, because I see now those who are going for the next class might be late, okay? All right, so do request it. Here's my email address there at the bottom quickly, okay? And then I will gladly send you the slides so that you can prepare adequately. But basically there isn't anything new that we have done or that you're going to see tomorrow. Everything that you're going to do, we have done before. It's only those number blocks, the base 10 blocks, that we had not done before. But request the notes and I will gladly send them to you. Thank you very much. Bye for now.